Welcome to the inaugural mock case for the InfoSec court as we take on case number 22188A, People versus Flagstar Bank, regarding the June 20th discovery of over 1.5 million records stolen from their database.
Counsel, if you'll please approach the stand, we're going to get started on this today. Counsel, I'm going to have to go ahead and reprimand you. We already have a vote, it would seem, for innocent before any counsel has been presented. So you may be using your star courthood, if you will, to garner favor with the jury.
Fellow citizens, in the case before the court, considering the legal culpability of the Flagstar Bank following the cybersecurity breach that compromised 1.5 million citizens' private information, the state will argue that the executives and board members of the defendant will, with reasonable probability, be shown to be guilty of malfeasance.
Your Honor's finding it hard not to laugh at the comments being made in the chat, so I'd like to go ahead and just apologize for my lack of professionalism here. But cheeseburger granted. I have the wand of magic, so I'll grant it. So
I don't believe this was done maliciously to hand over users and customers' information. I do believe that I will show that they did take every precaution to protect their customers' information.
The result of those interviews shows a tale of two cities, a city of financial and legal liability that is run to the highest possible level of efficiency and effectiveness, and a city of security that exists at the very margin of the least that could possibly be done.
With any third party, we do not have control of what goes on inside that company.
I would say sustained. There's a shared responsibility model when a reasonable belief of a breach has occurred. I'd like to go ahead and make a verdict on this case. The system is broken. However, if I see them in the parking lot, I might boo them quite hastily. That's the court's record. By the wand of cybersecurity, I adjudicate this done.
This is fun. It's good to see everybody here. And after we rebooted the 56K modem, logged back into AOL, we were back in business. So what a fun case to start this entire series off of. Of course, the fourth member on that panel, Matt Lee's beard. We got to talk about the verdict here. And here's the funny thing I think about compliance. So many companies view this as reactionary.